Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here. Today I am going to be reviewing an iPSY bag, but this isn't the January 2020 iPSY bag. This is one that I bought extra. It is the Best of 2019 iPSY mystery bag, and I bought it for $14. The reason that I bought this bag was because if you've seen my last video, if you haven't, I encourage you to do so. But if you've seen it, I did the year of iPSY, like 2019. I just put up picked out what my favorite things were that I got from iPSY from last year, and I just kind of compiled them and put them into a video. So I was kind of excited that iPSY actually did their own best of 2019, and I don't know who determined that these were the best products of last year. I don't really know. Maybe it's just based on people's reviews or something. So we are going to open the bag up and see what's inside. Alright, so I already tore off the shipping label because I like to reuse these bags. And if you've noticed, it's in this yellowy gold bag. I was kind of surprised because iPSY has been doing the pale pink bags that say iPSY on it. And before that, they had the dark pink shimmery foil bag. So I was excited that this is a different color. I wonder if this is going to be their new bag for 2020, or is this just what the mystery bags come in. I'm not really sure. This is my first time actually buying a mystery bag, something other than the monthly one. Oh, it's pretty. We got a brush. Alright, so we got the bag here. It is a shimmery pink bag, and it's just got this little tassel here. Got the pink zipper, and then the inside, it is just pink as well, and then it says iPSY. It's got this little patch that says iPSY. Alright, so first up, it looks like we have a brush. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but judging by what it looks like, I would say that it is just a blending brush. And it is from firmabeauty.com. I don't know if you could see that. It just says Firma 204 on it. The bristles feel very soft, and it feels yeah, pretty good for applying eyeshadow and stuff. Okay, so first up we have the hemp lotion. This is a sweet pineapple and honey melon, which is kind of crazy because I actually got the same exact little lotion in one of my iPSY bags. I think it was back in September. It smells so good. Yeah, it's the same exact one that I got. So pretty cool. I used it all up, so I guess I'm excited to get a new one. Alright, next up, it looks like we have an eyeshadow. This is the iPSY by Petra. Oh, this lighting. Yes, iPSY by Petra. Fresh, oh, it's a blush. Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. Okay, this looks very... It's coming up a lot lighter on camera, but it's actually pretty dark. I don't know. Don't know if it's gonna go great for my very pale skin, but we shall see. Next up we have, what the heck is this? Okay, this is definitely different. This is just a little charm, a nail polish charm. It says iPSY on it. Well, it's cute, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this yet. I'll probably just clip it. You can go here for right now. There we go. We found a home already. Alright, so this is a Purely Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. So it's like a moisturizer. Got a little seal on it. It smells really good. And it's like a clear gel. You can see it. I'm just gonna do a little bit on my wrist right there. Oh, okay. Okay, there's a watermelon smell, but it's not like overwhelming. I feel like in a couple hours or even a couple minutes, like the smell is just gonna go away. So you don't have to worry too much about that. Next up, we have the coconut water cream. I think this is like another, this is by First Aid Beauty. I have a lot of stuff from First Aid Beauty that came in iPSY bags. But I think this might be another, like a moisturizer. This is just kind of like, yeah, this is like the exact same consistency. Do you guys hear that? Listen. That is my dog snoring. She insists on being in the same room as me, and she is snoring so loud right now. Anyways, alright, this is... Okay, this does not smell like coconut, like, at all. It feels nice though. It's got the exact same consistency as the watermelon. Well, that's it, guys. That is it to the best of 2019 iPSY mystery bag. Honestly, I was curious about this bag because I was gonna see if like any of like my favorite things were gonna be in here. But I can see, like, the only thing I guess I can agree on was the lotion. I didn't put this in my last video, but I really did enjoy it. I don't know, like I paid $14 extra for this, like a blush, a brush, and 2 moisturizers and a lotion. I don't know if that was exactly worth it, but hey, I was curious, so we had to do it. Alright guys, that is it to this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, you can give it a thumbs down. And consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!